Welcome back, and thanks for joining us again. In the last video, we talked about the different loan programs that could get you into a home with zero down, but that may not be the best option for you. Today, we'll discuss another loan option, probably the most common of all loans, the FHA loan. And as usual, joining me today is my partner, Toni Eads, and our preferred lender, Brandy Jones with Union Home Mortgage. And as you can tell, I'm coming to you from this beautiful model home of Silverthorne Homes, thanks to Dylan Lee.
So Brandy, let's jump right in. What is the required credit score on FHA loans?
So we require at least a 600 credit score for FHA loans.
Well, tell us what the minimum down payment would be on those type of loans.
Sure, so the minimum down payment is going to be 3.5% down for FHA loans, although you can always put additional money down if you'd like.
So Brandy, tell us the benefits of FHA loans.
FHA loans are beneficial particularly for first-time home buyers and buyers who may have had credit issues in the past, including recent bankruptcies. The approval process is a little easier when it comes to credit, income, and assets as opposed to other loans such as conventional. Also, the interest rate is typically a little bit lower on FHA loans compared to conventional loans.
So that's great for a lot of buyers. Now tell us if there are any drawbacks to this type of loan.
You know, the biggest drawback to FHA loans is that you have to pay an upfront mortgage insurance premium, which increases your loan amount from the beginning. Then you also additionally pay a set mortgage insurance premium in your monthly mortgage payment as well. So you're kind of getting hit twice with that. And it doesn't go away unless you put at least 10% down at the beginning.
So you mentioned buyers may qualify with recent bankruptcies. How long does a buyer have to wait to qualify for an FHA loan if they've had a bankruptcy?
So it depends on the type of bankruptcy. For Chapter 7, they'll need to wait at least 2 years after their discharge date. If they did a Chapter 13, it just depends. Generally speaking, you can get approved within a year or after a year, but you'll have to get the judge's approval and you'll have to have on-time payments for at least 12 months.
That pretty much sums up FHA loans.
Thanks, Brandy. Thanks, Toni. We hope that gives you a better understanding of the FHA loan. Make sure to tune in next time where we discuss the conventional loan. If you have any questions, give us a call, 317-414-9355. Thanks.